When you're just trying to pack and your dog decides to jump up on your bed on all your perfectly organized and sorted makeup. Daisy, everyone. I have all of my eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to take over here, and I kind of picked a variety because I really don't know what clothes I'm packing yet, so I just kind of want to take a variety of palettes. And then I have different foundations over here, one that has like SPF and some that are just more like going out foundations where I would need like fuller coverage. Some concealers over here, so I kind of separated everything by category. I have like my primers, bronzers, blushes, highlighters, my face powders that I'll be taking, a variety of brushes, and then mascaras, eyebrow stuff, of course, and then setting spray and lip gloss. And it's all going to hopefully fit in this makeup bag. So wish me luck. We'll see how this goes. I got all of my eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to take over here just because, ooh, that's like falling out. Awkward. So I'm thinking I want to, in these pouches, try to fit most of like my face makeup in here, and then in the bigger pouches fit my palettes and stuff because they do take up more space. So how I ended up doing it is basically in here is all of my makeup palettes, a few makeup brushes, some eye brushes, mascaras, setting spray. So like my bigger bottles are in here because this compartment is just a little bit bigger than the other ones. And then over here in the ones that Velcro off, I just put all my primers and foundations and face stuff, so like my cooling water from Milk Makeup I put in there. And in here I just put all my eyebrow stuff, highlighters, face powders, and blushes in here, and it fit really well. And then up here I put all of my makeup brushes that I'm taking and my powder puffs. So basically all this thing does is it just rolls up like so on top of each other, and I'm hoping everything will fit in the end, so we shall see.
castle in the sand, when it comes down, it comes tumbling to the ground. But when she speaks, it's a dangerous fantasy, sets me free. It's where I wanna be. She sets me free. It's where I wanna be.
Hey guys, so I've made some progress and it's the next morning, the morning that I fly out, and I have all of my clothes pretty much laid out on my bed right here. So I decided that I wanted to take kind of like a variety of stuff because the weather is going to be sometimes in the 70s and then it's going to be 57 when I get there. So I took a couple tank tops and just a couple short sleeves over here just to kind of have stuff to pick from. And then I have shorts right here. I have my Nike shorts, 2 of them, and then I just took 2 or 3, I think, yeah, 3 denim shorts, and then 1 pair of white shorts, just so I can also have some to pick from. And then I just took a variety of jeans that I know I'm going to wear, so like my white jeans, my favorite blue jeans of all time, some from American Eagle, some with rips, and some with not. I have intimates, so my underwear and bras are all ready to go in my suitcase, and then I just have all of my pajamas right here, so my cheetah print pajamas, and then I have just like sleep shirts that I can sleep in, and then my comfy bra, and then some comfy shirts that I also have over here. I have a dressier shirt, and then a couple more dressy shirts over here, just a flannel, and then another comfy shirt, and then some of my casual shirts, some to work out in, and then some to just wear on the daily. In my carry-on, I have my laptop, and then I have my phone charger and my laptop charger because I will be editing videos during my layover. And then I'm also bringing just my little emergency kit that has all of my makeup in it, so like my powder just to touch up my face, and then I have a couple brushes, and then some of my favorite perfumes just so I can stay smelling good and not like a sweaty airport. So yeah, that's what I'm just keeping in here because I can always touch up my makeup on the plane, and that's also going to go in my bag. And then I have my headphones that I'm taking with me too because I'm going to be listening to music a lot and also using them to edit. Also in my carry-on, I'm going to take my hairbrush and some hair ties that have bobby pins in them as well, just so if I need to like pin my hair back, I can pretty much. And then I'm going to also take some snacks. My favorite goldfish, the extra cheddar. Those are seriously my favorite. I'm also taking my hairbrush and then another little elastic hair tie. And then I'm also throwing in my old sunglasses because sometimes I like to wear sunglasses on the top of my head.